Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HS01 hairdryer is blowing hot air yet failing to dry your hair, you're not alone. This issue can stem from a clogged filter or a malfunctioning component inside the device. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To resolve this, you'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Begin by ensuring your hairdryer is unplugged for safety. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located at the back of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them for reassembly later. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing, taking care not to force it, as this could damage clips or connections. Inside, locate the heating element. This is often the culprit when the device blows hot air but fails to dry effectively. Inspect it for any signs of damage or blockage. If you see any debris or lint, use the soft cloth to clean it. If the heating element is damaged, you'll need to extract it. Disconnect any wires carefully using the tweezers to avoid pulling on the cables too hard. Make a note of where each wire connects, as this will help when you install the new component. Once the old heating element is out, replace it with the new one, ensuring that all wires are reconnected as they were. Be gentle when handling the new part to avoid damaging it. After reassembling the casing, replace the screws and ensure everything is secure. It is essential to check that all components are aligned correctly and that there are no loose parts. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean the filter and avoid using the hairdryer in humid environments. Keeping your device in good condition will extend its lifespan and maintain performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.